There is silver and gold. They's gonna have to tell them to sing
All
about.
he thinks about is silver and gold. Silver and gold, silver and gold. Everyone wishes silver and gold. How do you measure its worth? Just by the pleasure it gives here on earth. Silver and gold means so much more when I see silver and gold decorations on every Christmas tree. What's a Christmas tree without tinsel and pretty silver and gold decorations? Can't really call it a Christmas tree, now can you? And think of all the fun and joy that would be lost on Christmas morning if all the young folks didn't get to see that sparkling, happy tree. Silver and gold means so much more